Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your Jeep's headlights for brighter, clearer driving, you're in the right place. Today we're reviewing the top 7 Jeep LED headlights that promise to enhance your nighttime visibility and driving safety. Whether you are tackling off-road adventures or cruising on highways, these headlights offer the performance and reliability you need. Let's dive into our top picks for 2025. At the first position of our list, we have NVLHL002 7 inches LED headlight. This model stands out for its impressive brightness and robust build. Designed to fit standard 7-inch headlight housings, it features a powerful LED array that delivers a high beam output of up to 4000 lumens and a low beam output of 2500 lumens. The NVLHL002 ensures a wide, evenly distributed light pattern, significantly improving nighttime visibility and reducing blind spots. The construction of this headlight is equally noteworthy, with an aluminum die-cast housing that offers excellent durability and heat dissipation. This makes the NVLHL002 ideal for off-road conditions where heat and impact resistance are crucial. Additionally, the headlights are equipped with a polycarbonate lens that resists scratches and impacts, ensuring long-lasting clarity. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play design, making it a hassle-free upgrade for Jeep enthusiasts. The NVLHL002 is also IP67 rated, meaning it's dust-tight and can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter deep for up to 30 minutes. This level of protection ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have Torchbeam 7x6 5x7 LED headlights. This versatile model is designed to fit both 7x6 and 5x7 headlight housings, making it a flexible option for various Jeep models. Torchbeam headlights are known for their high-performance LEDs that deliver a bright, focused beam of light with a total output of 3500 lumens. The beam pattern is optimized to provide a clear view of the road ahead while minimizing glare for oncoming drivers. The Torchbeam headlights feature a durable aluminum housing that ensures longevity and excellent heat dissipation. The lenses are made from high-grade polycarbonate, offering superior resistance to yellowing and impacts. These headlights also include built-in thermal management systems to prevent overheating, enhancing their reliability in demanding conditions. One of the standard features of the Torchbeam headlights is their easy installation process. They are designed with a standard plug-and-play setup, allowing for quick and straightforward installation without the need for additional adapters. The headlights are also waterproof and dustproof, providing dependable performance regardless of the weather conditions. Next up at number 3, we have the Xprite LED headlights with high and low beam functions. These headlights offer a dual beam system that provides both high and low beam capabilities, enhancing driving safety and flexibility. With a high beam output of 4000 lumens and a low beam output of 28,000 lumens, the Xprite headlights offer excellent illumination for both highway driving and off-road adventures. The Xprite headlights feature a rugged design with an aluminum alloy housing that ensures durability and effective heat dissipation. The polycarbonate lens is scratch-resistant and designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions. Additionally, these headlights include a built-in fan for additional cooling, which helps to maintain optimal performance and longevity. Another advantage of the Xprite headlights is their versatile fitment. They are compatible with most Jeep models and other vehicles that use standard 7-inch headlights. The headlight comes with a plug-and-play installation kit, making the upgrade process quick and easy. The Xprite LED headlights are also IP68 rated, providing excellent protection against dust and water and grease. The number 4 position is held by ROLINGER 2-pieces H6054 LED headlights. These headlights are designed for those seeking a high-performance upgrade with a focus on brightness and durability. Each headlight features a powerful LED array that delivers a total of 3800 lumens, providing a bright and clear light output for improved visibility during nighttime driving. The ROLINGER headlights are built with a heavy-duty aluminum housing that offers excellent heat dissipation and impact resistance. The lenses are made from high-quality polycarbonate, which resists scratches and UV damage, ensuring long-term clarity. The headlight also includes a built-in thermal management system to prevent overheating and ensure reliable performance. Installation is made easy with a plug-and-play design, which allows for a straightforward upgrade without the need for additional modifications. The ROLINGER headlights are also waterproof and dustproof, making them suitable for a variety of driving conditions. For those looking to enhance their Jeep's lightweight performance with a reliable and durable option, the ROLINGER 2-pieces H6054 LED headlights are a strong contender. The number 5 position is dominated by the Sinoparcel upgrade upgraded 5x7, 7x6 LED headlights. This model offers versatility with its compatibility with both 5x7 and 7x6 headlight housings. The Sinoparcel headlights feature a high-intensity LED array that provides a total light output of 3800 lumens, ensuring a bright and clear illumination for a safer driving experience. The construction of the Sinoparcel headlights includes a robust aluminum housing that provides durability and effective heat dissipation. The polycarbonate lens is designed to resist impacts and scratches, maintaining clarity over time. These headlights also include a built-in cooling fan to help manage heat and ensure optimal performance. One of the key features of the Sinoparcel headlights is their easy installation. They come with a plug-and-play design, making it simple to replace your existing headlights without the need for additional adapters. The headlights are also waterproof and dustproof, ensuring reliable performance in various driving conditions. For those seeking a flexible and high-performance lighting solution, the Sinoparcel upgraded LED headlights are an excellent choice. Next up, number 6, we have SXMA LED headlights with high-low beam. These headlights are designed to provide both high and low beam capabilities, offering versatility for different driving conditions. With a high beam output of 4200 lumens and a low beam output of 3000 lumens, the SXMA headlights deliver bright and clear illumination for enhanced visibility. The SXMA headlights feature a rugged design with an aluminum alloy housing that ensures durability and effective heat dissipation. The polycarbonate lens is scratch resistant and designed to withstand harsh conditions. The headlights also include a built-in fan for additional cooling, helping to maintain optimal performance and longevity. Installation is straightforward, with the plug-and-play design making it easy to upgrade your Jeep's lighting without the need for additional modifications. The SXMA LED headlights are also IP68 rated, providing excellent protection against dust and water ingress. For those seeking a reliable and high-performance headlight option, the SXMA LED headlights with high and low beam functions are a great choice. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have Nicoko DOT approved 7-inch LED RGB headlight. This unique headlight combines high-performance LED illumination with customizable RGB lighting options, allowing you to personalize the look of your Jeep. The Nicoko headlight provides a high beam output of 4000 lumens and a low beam output of 2800 lumens, ensuring bright and clear visibility for safe driving. The Nicoko headlights feature a durable aluminum housing that offers excellent heat dissipation and impact resistance. The polycarbonate lens is designed to resist scratches and UV damage, ensuring long-lasting clarity. One of the standard features of the Nicoko headlights is their RGB lighting capability, which allows you to choose from a range of colors to suit your style. These headlights are DOT approved, ensuring they meet safety and quality standards. The installation is made easy with a plug-and-play design, making it a straightforward upgrade for Jeep enthusiasts. The Nicoko LED RGB headlight offers a combination of high performance and customizable style, making it a unique choice for those looking to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. And that wraps up our review of the top 7 Jeep LED headlights for 2025. Whether you're looking for enhanced brightness, durability, or customizable features, these headlights offer a range of solutions to meet your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your favorite headlight options or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.